Hello students. So today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 4, practical geometry. And we are going to construct quadrilaterals. Children, in chapter 3 you studied understanding quadrilaterals. We have learned about quadrilaterals, what are quadrilaterals, what are the special types of quadrilaterals. All this we have studied. Now it's turn to construct quadrilaterals. So for construction of quadrilaterals, how we can construct quadrilaterals and different conditions are given to us. No. So see children, to construct a unique quadrilateral, when the following measurements are given to us. First one among them is when four sides and one diagonal is given to us. Four sides, any four sides is only four sides are there. So four sides are given to us and one diagonal is given to us. Any one diagonal. Out of two diagonal, any one diagonal and four sides are given. Then we can easily construct a quadrilateral. This is the first case. When we construct a quadrilateral according to this condition, four sides and one diagonal. Secondly, second one is when two diagonals and three sides are given to us. When two diagonals and three sides are given. So PQRS, let's name it. Two diagonals and any three sides are given to us, children. Any three sides and two diagonals are given to us. This is first diagonal. This is second one. So this is the second required condition. Two diagonals and three sides given, any three sides. Then we can also construct a unique quadrilateral. So this is the case number 2. Now the third one, when two adjacent sides are given to us and three angles are given. Any two adjacent sides, either this two side or this two sides or this two side or this two side. Yeah, AB is and BC given, or BC or CD or CD or AD or AD or AB. Out of these four pairs, any one pair is given to us, adjacent side pair. And three angles are given to us. Any three angles are given to us. Then we can also easily construct the unique quadrilateral. Now the fourth one. Next one is three sides and two included angles. Three sides, A, B, C, D. Three sides given. Suppose this three sides. 1, 2, 3. मान लो ये three sides is given to us. Then the two included angles. उनके बीच के included angle must be given. So these two are included angles. These two are included between these three sides. 1, 2, 3. See, 1, 2, 3. In these three sides, two angles are included between these three sides. So, see this one first. This is second side. This is third side. And these two are included between these three sides. Then also we can easily construct a quadrilateral. And the next one, fifth one, when other special properties are known. Suppose rectangle, one of the properties given, we can construct, or square property is given, then we can construct, or rhombus we can construct. So some special properties of all these special parallelograms given, or trapezium is given to us, this sides are parallel to us, or parallelogram, anything related to the properties of all these parallelograms or quadrilaterals, special quadrilaterals, then also we can construct special quadrilaterals. So let's start exercise 4.1 and let's construct first question. So exercise 4.1. Question number 1 is construct the following quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral ABCD. And the measurements are given to us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 side and 1 diagonal is given to us. And children, always what you have to take, what you have to make first, you have to make first a rough diagram. Then only make the constructed one. First, let's make a rough diagram. So it helps us to find the which side having which measurements. So this really helps us, rough diagram. So let's make, we have to make ABCD. So I am marking ABCD, one quadrilateral, simple ABCD. Now AB is, now mark all the sides. AB 4.5, label it. BC 5.5 centimeter, CD 4 centimeter, AD 6 centimeter, and AC is 7 centimeter. This is the one of the rough diagram without any measurement, just we have written the sides. Now with the help of this diagram, now we are going to construct step by step. So listen children carefully how we are constructing. Now first one, AB, we have to draw AB 4.5. So let's draw AB. Take ruler and scale, pencil, sorry. First AB, we have to draw first AB. So let's construct 4.5. What is AB? 4.5. So we'll start with making AB 4.5. So this is AB 4.5 we have drawn. Now see children, take that point C. Now take one point, this C1. Now we have to make the arc A to C and B to C. Our next point of working is C. So we will take the arc radius 7 centimeter and we'll draw one arc from A, and we will draw another arc to intersect the previous arc. Okay, and this arc is of measurement 5.5 centimeter. So let's do this one also. So take 7 centimeter arc radius. So see, this is 7 centimeter I have taken. Now from A, we have to work from A. Now make an arc radius 7 centimeter. This is the arc radius 7 centimeter. Now first one we have drawn A to C by 7 centimeter. Now we not got that point. We will get the point after intersecting with the arc radius BC 5.5 centimeter. Now what we'll do, B to C, we have to draw BC 5.5 centimeter. So again measure with the help of ruler 5.5 centimeter. This is 5.5. So now take B as center and arc radius 5.5, and we are cutting the previous arc. So this is previous arc we have cut. Now what point we got? We got the point is, which point we are getting? C. This is point C. Now join. First join A to C and B to C. So let's join A to C first and B to C. After this, down our next point is D. We have to make this point D. So how will work children? See here, we will go from C to D. First we will draw C to D and then A to D. So that we'll get the point D. First of all आपको arc measurement CD बना लीजिए 4 centimeter and second one A to D 6 centimeter you make. So children बनाते हैं C to D first 4 centimeter. So again measure CD 4 centimeter. So this is our scale. So CD, measure CD 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter children. Now take this point C and 4 centimeter arc radius, draw an arc like this. Okay, now next point is A to D. Next measurement is A to D. What is that? 6 centimeter. So now again take 6 centimeter arc radius. This is 6 centimeter. Now take AS center and arc radius 6 centimeter. AS center and arc radius 6 centimeter. Cut the previous arc. So we got the next point also, which is that point D. Mark it D, children, here. Now we are going to join AD and we are going to join CD also. And we are going to label everything what we have drawn. 4.5, this is 5.5, this is 7 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, and this one is 6 centimeter. So see, children, how we have constructed a quadrilateral, and then we can write thus ABCD is the required quadrilateral. This ABCD is a required quadrilateral. So children understood how to make quadrilaterals, and more we will make in our next session, next class. So thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share this video also.